Are you taking Praxis Test 5095, Physical Education, Content and Design, Content Knowledge, and Student Growth and Development? If you are, this is the video for you. My name is Tom, and I am a test prep expert here at study.com, and I'm going to walk you through the solutions. So let's get started. Problem 1. In tennis, what is the term for a shot that is hit before the ball bounces on the player's side of the court? All right, so the first thing I'm going to eliminate is serve. A serve has to bounce. So A is eliminated. An overhead smash, let's say, is going to a lot of times hit the ground and bounce really high where the opponent can't return it. So smash is out. Choice B is a forehand. A forehand is a type of shot. So that obviously could hit the ground. So the correct answer would be D, a volley. So for example, when the players approach the net and they work towards the net and they pick the ball off before it hits the ground would be a volley. So that would be the correct answer, D. All right, problem 2. What does the principle of force over speed relations apply in biomechanics? So what they're talking about here is the force speed over speed curve, and there is a inverse relationship between force and speed. So any of the there's two answers here that have a direct relationship. So choice A is eliminated. Higher speed always generates more force. So that is a direct relationship. So that's eliminated. Choice C is also eliminated. Lower speeds always leads to a decrease in force. So it would be between choices B and D. So choice B says greater force always leads to slower speeds. And choice D says at higher speeds, the potential for generating force decreases. So here, I think we're looking at the term potential to give us the correct answer here. So even though that is an inverse relationship, that term always, I don't like in there, but in choice D, at higher speeds, the potential for generating force decreases. And again, we're focusing on the force speed curve. As the speed goes up, the potential for force goes down. So for example, as your muscles contract faster, it's harder for them to create force. So in this case here, I think the correct answer is D. All right, problem 3. How can a teacher incorporate community values into physical education instruction? Is it A, by discouraging students from participating in community sports activities? Okay, I see the word discouraging here. So I'm going to eliminate choice A right off the bat. Choice B, by inviting local sports figures to talk to class. So that's a possibility. Choice C, by ignoring community values and focusing only on the curriculum. Well, we're not going to ignore community values. That's going to be eliminated. Choice D, by teaching only the sports that the teacher personally enjoys. All right, so that has nothing to do with community values. So in this case here, by inviting local sports figures to talk to the class would be the correct answer. Problem 4. What is a key factor in selecting a program for physical education from a legal perspective? So what we're looking for is choices here that would affect that the teacher as far as that they may have legal action against them. So I'm going to eliminate choice B, the potential for students to excel athletically, from my answers. Popularity of the program, it's not going to affect. The teacher could be sued. Cost of implementing the program. So in this case here, the best answer would be making sure that you have a program that is safe and appropriate for the age and ability level of the students. That concludes our video, Practice Test 5095, Physical Education, Content and Design, Content Knowledge, and Student Growth and Development. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.